Hello guys, welcome back to TechNTechie. Today we will see how to upgrade the pre-installed Windows 10 Home single language operating system to Windows 10 Pro without any product key, and then to Windows 11 Pro, that also without any product key. As you can see here in BIOS settings, we have pre-installed Windows on this laptop but not a Windows 10 Pro. So how we can go to upgrade this? Let's see on this video step by step. Let's go on these PC properties to check the Windows edition and version. Now check the activation settings. Here you can check the edition of Windows operating system and its activation type. As here you can see this Windows is activated with a digital license which is linked to my Microsoft account. Here on this page only we can upgrade the installed Windows edition like Windows 10 Home to Windows 10 Pro on this laptop. So let's get started. We just need to go to the store, click on it, and the Microsoft Store will open where we can get the upgrade to Windows 10 and 11 Pro page. Okay. After upgraded to Windows 10 Pro, we will get the additional features which is not available on Windows 10 Home. We can see the features difference between Windows Home and Pro on this page here. The Windows Home having the basic features like Microsoft Edge, Stores, install any app, multiple desktop and Snap and OneDrive. But Windows Pro does have all the features including basics like BitLocker, Remote Desktop, Hyper-V and as shown here. So without wasting any more time, let's click on install to upgrade it to Windows 10 Pro. It is ready to preparing for upgrade now. Just wait and watch. Till it get upgrade, I would like to cross check one more time to verify the Windows product is genuine or having licensed product by running the commands. We just need to enter the command slmgr.vvs /dli on run and click on OK to get the result. Yes, we can see here the result, name of the Windows edition, OEM channel, partial product key and the license status. Simply we can check on command prompt as well by run as administrator. We can use the slmgr.vvs /dlb to get the more details about the product. Use slmgr /xpr to get the details of license type only. It is showing Windows is in notification mode right now. Maybe we are upgrading it to Windows 10 Pro, that's why. Anyway, let's see the next step. It is 100% complete now. We will restart the system. Here it is upgrading and adding new features as well. Getting ready, and there we go now. Click on this PC properties to check the Windows edition. Here it is upgraded to Windows 10 Pro. Check the activation settings. Windows is activated with a digital license which is already linked to my Microsoft account. As we have pre-installed Windows 10 Home on this laptop, so we don't require any other product key to upgrade it to Windows 10 Pro. Run the same command here as well to verify the license detail and all of Windows 10 Pro. It is all good, perfect. Windows Pro edition is permanently activated on this laptop. All good till now. As we have installed Windows 10 Pro on this laptop, so we need to check with the Windows update also. There might be few security updates available to download and install. Let's see Windows update settings. Here we can see few updates are available, so we'll update this first. Check for any updates are still pending. If there is some update, then we can update it. I think nothing is there. All have been updated successfully. Perfect. Now we need to upgrade this Windows 10 Pro to Windows 11 Pro, and for that we must have to go for Windows inside the program to enable it. We must have to link with Microsoft account to get to Windows 11. Restart now to get the latest updates. It is started and check the Windows update now. If it does not show, then wait for a few minutes, will come definitely. Yes, here we can see now the Windows 11 inside a preview available to download. Once it is downloaded, then we'll start installation. Wait and watch. Great, it is downloaded and installed. So let's restart the laptop. You can see here the updates are underway, then it will working on updates. Once it is completed, we'll get the login page. Wow, we are now in Windows login page. So login now and there we are in Windows 11. Check the activation state, it is all good. Run the same command on command prompt to verify the product license type and all. We have the genuine Windows operating system on this laptop and verify it as well. Check once again the Windows inside the program under Windows Update that we have the latest build installed on this laptop. So guys, here we have seen how to upgrade to Windows 10 Home Single Language to Windows 10 Pro, then upgrade it to Windows 11 Pro step by step. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon to get the latest videos update. Thanks and see you again on my next video.